that, my friends, is how to steal a Gravely mower from your sales rep. Do not try this at home. You know that it won't end up well. Although these mowers are highly desirable and deserve to be in your fleet, the best way to obtain them is through an honest day's work. So stop by your Gravely dealer and get your mower the right way. Gravely mowers available at Carl's Mower and Saw in Ferndale, or search it on the dealer locator and find the right place for you to purchase your Gravely stand-on, zero-turn, walk-behind mower for your needs. All right, guys, see y'all soon. Thanks for watching that. Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.